Beryl from Bessemer also joining us this evening. Beryl, we appreciate your call. Please go right ahead with your question.
Yes, thank you. Yes, I was trying to see what to do in a situation where I'm in a situation where my identity got stolen and somebody charged up a lot of credit cards, got credit cards and stuff in my name, and now I'm being sued by the credit card companies. And I don't have an option to file Chapter 7 because if I try to file Chapter 7, I got too much equity in my home. And from what I'm told, that the bankruptcy trustees can take your house. You know, if you got a lot of equity in the home, and then trying to file Chapter 13 wouldn't work because I don't make enough income to pay them back. So how would you know, I go about handling a situation like that?
Wow, that sounds like a tough one.
Yeah, that is unfortunate. First of all, the question I have for you is, did you know the person who stole your identity?
No, ma'am.
Okay, the reason that I ask that is because I would believe my first efforts would be to file a police report if someone has stolen your identity. Also, you can contact the credit bureaus and dispute that debt with them. If it has already gotten into the lawsuit phase, it's probably too far down the road for you to do much about it. I might recommend that you talk to somebody to see, you said you had equity in your home, but the homestead exemptions in Alabama have gone up substantially in the last few years. And we're also allowed to take a cost to sell out. So let someone sit with you and go through those numbers with you. And you may find out that you're eligible for a Chapter 7. And if you can't afford a Chapter 13, there are other options in a 13 besides paying all the debt back over 5 years. There's kind of a in between a 7 and a 13 where you just pay part of the debt back, pennies on the dollar, but also in a 13. So I encourage you to call an attorney. Don't be afraid. We're doing consults over the telephone now because of COVID, and we can get you started on the right track.